Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking essentials: app version, device OS, and whether battery or data saver is active. Once done, toggle location, Wi-Fi, and mobile data to force a fresh connection and confirm a clear GPS view. Next, clear Google Maps cache and restart the app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so saved places and preferences load. These steps remove common permission and stale data blockers and get you ready for deeper fixes. Now tackle routing and GPS specifics. Calibrate your device compass and refresh a GPS data to improve fix speed and accuracy. Once calibrated, verify offline maps are updated for the route region and confirm map language and routing preferences match your needs, as mismatches can alter turn guidance. Also reset maps permissions, explicitly allow background location, and ensure mock locations are off. This prevents incorrect position. Finish by validating fixes. Run a short test route and watch voice prompts, lane guidance, and reroute behavior. If problems persist, reinstall Google Maps or try the web version or incognito mode to isolate account issues. Make sure offline regions are intact and check Bluetooth or car integration settings if guidance fails in a vehicle. If nothing changes, reboot your device and router before doing advanced resets. This simple step often clears lingering network or process conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.